Come with me while I transform this leftover piece of walnut into a beautiful cheese slicer board for Paige and myself at the house. I absolutely love the way this one came out. I started off with a piece of walnut and decided to add some color using some Padauk and Purple Heart. This is by far my favorite wood combination. I think the colors really pop with that walnut, but you guys will have to let me know what your favorite combo is down below. This is where I kind of ran into some issues. I added my roundover before I drilled in the hole for the hardware and had to get a little bit creative. I made a plug and got it glued in place. Then I finished this piece off with some walrus oil. I absolutely love the way this one is looking. Let me know down in the comments below. Should I make some more and add them to my website?